2, 3, funky.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. So today we are just painting the TE37s. Everyone's inside right now. We're at Innova, so shout out to Milton, the owner, for letting us use his shop since it's snowing. There's like literally snow everywhere, and obviously we can't paint in this conditions outside. So shout out to him for letting us use his shop. So this is our little paint rig, our booth. We got some heat going on there, the light shining down at the rim. And I think this is a final coat of primer. It's hidden a lot of like the imperfection, the scratches that was in the original paint. So I think this is it for the primer. The heat's going on it. See, it's red like Darth Vader's lightsaber. It looks pretty mint. They're all drying right now. I'm super excited to see how these come out because the paint color is so nice. Like, I could show you guys right now, but every time I point the camera, like, it becomes black and white, so you guys can't really tell. Like, this is the color right now, but every time it's on, like, in frame, it just turns black and white.
Let's try it live. Ready?
Yeah.
No, black.
Yeah, it's still black and white. I'm not too sure what it is, but I think it's gonna get fixed later in this video.
It brings us
Alright, so here is the color for the new wheels. It is like a gunmetal, if it'll focus. There. So it's like a gunmetal metallic almost. And on the cardboard, it becomes really bright and then like darker depending when you look at it. It looks really cool. I really like this color. And there's a lot of like effect. I don't want to say, I think it's called effect. Like it's like glitter or whatever, I don't even know. But it looks pretty good. Yeah, there you go. So it's really similar to the rims I have on the Evo right now, but I think that color just goes so well with the wrap. I didn't want to do something like black because then you can't really appreciate the shape of the wheel. That's the color. We're gonna go ahead and start the first coat of the actual color on the rim. Damn, the color looks so good. It looks really good. There's the primer. Damn, that looks really good. I like it. The zoom on this camera. God dang. Okay, another update on this thing. This is the last can of primer, and there's like a quarter can left. Kevin says there's half. I think there's a quarter. And we still have 2 TE37 tops to spray with like half a can, I'd say, I don't know, like a little bit more than a quarter. It feels like a quarter now of primer. But these ones came out pretty good. I think we have to redo that, but it should be okay. So we got all the barrels painted, all 4 of them. So we're just waiting for this to dry until we can flip the whole wheel around and finally show you guys how the paint look on the top. But so far, I think it's such a nice color. I think it came out really, really good. Alright, so we just finished the, I guess, first coat, or like the top coat, the paint, the color coat on the wheel, and it looks so minty. It's actually a little bit darker than how the like camera picks it up, but there you go. I like them. And we still kept the Kevin auto kind of on it to honor Kevin. Yeah, I think it looks really good. For a rattle can job, it's pretty good. The clear coat's a little bit special. It's a matte finish. It has this red button that you take off, you put at the bottom, and it's kind of weird. Like, I've never worked with one like this before, but I've never seen a matte clear coat before, so.
You're just spraying all the mufflers and then do the matte clear ones.
Yeah, like these guys have just like exhaust. Stock exhaust is here. There's another one there. There's another one there. I think this one's a BMW one. BMW, Germany. It's pretty girthy. And I think somewhere under all this junk, there it is. That's the clutch out of the Evo 4 that we did like a little while back. So shout out to that video. I'll link it somewhere here, I think. So we went from this to this. It looks pretty. It looks really good. It comes off a little bit lighter on camera.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I'll edit like this clip right here on how they actually look like. But damn, they look good. I really like the color. It looks almost a little bit bluey in this through the camera. 2 minutes, put it down, put it upside down, shake it for another 2 minutes, and paint. Stop to shake it like this. Weird ass clear, dude. Okay, so this is the matte clear.
How do you feel?
I feel like these rims are gonna look so mint on the car. I'm excited and worried for when we put the tires on. Because the tire's gonna look so good, but we might like, you know, this is, no matter how good it looks, it's still a rattle can draw.
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah.
Alright, so everything is loaded up in the van right now. I'm so excited to have these wheels on the Evo. Hopefully we don't mess up anything on the way back, but we should be okay. Alright guys, so it is the next day. The rims were actually just chilling in the van. Hopefully freezing the paint does the same thing as baking it. I'm just kidding, but probably in the next video, you guys are finally going to see the rims on Ariana. I kind of want to take one wheel off at a time since we do have a tire machine in our garage, if you guys remember from previous videos. So I'll probably be taking one rim and tire, putting the tires on the new rims, taking it back there. It's going to be really repetitive, but we're finally going to see the new rims on Ariana, and I probably might touch up some stuff under the engine bay as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.